go again for another day of our talk show. But for today, it will be special since it's at Valentine's Day. The show will be evolving through a poem entitled On Love by Khalil Gibran. Here goes a line which all the songs will be related to. This, for even as love crowns you, so shall he crucify you. Even as he is for your growth, so is he for your pruning. Even as he ascends to your height and caresses your tenderest branches that quiver in the sun, so shall he descend to your roots and shake them beneath to the earth. You know, love is everything good and bad. Love is everything happy and sad. Love is everything black and white. Love is the most amazing thing on earth. It won't exist without both the opposites. There is no perfect formula when it comes to love. The perfect formula depends on each and every one of us. It is not always a happy ending, just like in fairy tales. But one thing is constant in loving, and that is the lessons that one gets out of it. Love is a matter of choice. Love is not for the faint-hearted. Love is a complex topic that lets all your weird emotions come out. True love is acceptance. Acceptance of everything, may it be good or bad. May it be for your happiness, or his, or hers. Loving is a lifelong process. It won't be easy, but at least it won't be too difficult. One just needs to hold on and keep the faith. Loving is to believe and being brave. Loving is expecting the unexpected. Loving is being ready to embrace pain, for love is not love without pain. Now to start the program proper. Hey, sorry for that. Now, do you all believe in destiny? Huh? I need answers. Not cooperative audience.
Yes! Yes!
But, you know, everyone dreams to find their true love, right? We're all destined for our other half. And if ever we find that someone, we should never let go. We should just hold on and love them for forevermore.
Roberto. Mike. Sister. Chami.
Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need
Forevermore. As what I've been talking about a while ago, we all have our destined ones, diba? Sorry for that. But, you know, sometimes we're not patient enough to wait for that someone. Each and every one of us, we are all made to have our better half. It's just that one who's destined for us are hiding somewhere out there. No man is an island. A man needs a woman, and a woman needs a man. Love is accepting that you can't live without the other. Love is giving a part of you to the other, and a part of the other to you. Which is now, I'll leave you for the song, Beauty and Madness.
Mike. Beauty and the Beast. Boy, pick up. Tubig ka ba? Yeah! Sila di ay. Sila di ay. Oof, sorry. Para kang Jaisa dito.
You will see the beauty in your eyes. And who will be there to hear you
Ay, sorry.
when you call?
Dagdag ulit na natulog.
Who will see the madness in your eyes?
Bakit ba kita ang gitar ah?
And who will be there to
Buti mas nasag ulo.
give you
Atoy. Hantang praktisan na gawas ko. Naman ako na.
After finding your loved one, we can never, heartbreaks are always present. There will be misunderstandings and it can lead to either the strengthening of your relationship or the end of it. This heartache gives a huge impact on a person. It can either build or break him or her. Love is not always about laughter. One won't love just because of happiness. If he or she did, then it is not love, which will lead us to the downfall of us all.
Ano ko gihoy? Asam baso.
Nasir mo?
Lancer lagi.
Nasir ang baso. Saan naman tubig ko Kasi tubig din ako.
Tubig ba?
If there are heartaches, if there are breakups, there are also reconciliations. Some will ask for second, third, fourth, and so on chances, just to prove their love. Some get fixed and will have a chance to be back together again, while some will have the answer. Love is never-ending forgiving, never-ending understanding. Love should not be selfish, even though one is far away.
Ikaw kulit. Ah, asa man?
This time, this place, this year, this place, too die, make you wait.
Chami, smile eyes. Masay, zoom mo ni. Stop. Tagay!
Whatever happens, life
Bye, hi,
will go
bye, hi.
on. If there are heartbreaks and if you can't fix the problem, sometimes the loving, the moving on is the hardest part. It won't be that easy to forget about the past.
Sir.
And it will always hurt you, but still life must move on. Accept what's happening around
Inay,
you
nato, para ay
and
nag-video.
just fall into place. Don't dwell with the past. Love is learning from mistakes, learning from past experiences. Love knows how to love oneself.
Muragkuan ba?
The only loving day was yesterday.
Si Abi ug si Cookie. Parang video ba di ka mo? sa insurrection.
Downtown.
Facebook. Bili ka sa doon.
Ha?
Balete.
Ikaw din. Pwede ka mo.
Ha?
Pwede ka mo.
Moman ko. Namuli ko.
Everyone has a story to tell. Maybe how good or how bad it felt. Some of the world they're going to hell. We keep moving on.
But even after passing through many hardships and you're still together, then get hold of it. At times, loving someone is not easy. It can be downright painful, but through it all, you endure because you know it's worth it. And you want that special someone to not be afraid of your love. It's fate. It's meant to be. Accept it, relish it, cherish it. You continue to love because you know it's right. Your love for that special someone is endless and will never die. Not now and not in 1,000 years. And you need to let him know that.
Chami! Just listen to Chami. Para madungog to.
To Canada.
Welcome to Canada. Kasi may sumay. Ini?
Watching you stand alone, all of my life suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I die every day waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I love you for 1,000 years.
Parok-parok si Igor.
Love you for 1,000 more.
Hi, Chami.
And that ends our show. Happy Valentine's Day!
And the audience. Next presenter. Si Sir. Si Kun Lirna. Atong videohan ang mga bida. Mga bida. Gabot.